Today is day 3 of my trip from Oregon to Washington, and we're going to the Tillamook cheese factory, then to the beach in Pacific City. Tillamook is one of the largest dairy processors in the US, and they offer a free tour of the facility, so I'm gonna show you everything they have.
Hey yo, Nashi, you go crazy.
Look at my wrist, so I chose. Yeah, that's your bitch.
When you walk in, there's stairs leading up to the self-guided tour. We have 3 different areas to explore. On the right is cheese samples. They had medium cheddar, sharp white cheddar, Colby Jack, and a bonus, aged white cheddar. This is one of my favorite cheeses and a go-to for charcuterie boards. Next, we have the viewing area. They have signs showing each step of the cheese process, but all you can really see is metal pipes and covered vats of milk. In summary, they heat the milk up and they add an acid to break the whey from the cheese solids. The curds get collected, salted, and aged to make cheddar. Moving on to the last room, you can read about the founders with an interactive cow that you can milk. I currently hold the world record. Everyone gathered around me and started clapping, congratulating me on a record broken. This was the dining area. Tell me what flavors again? What we got here?
Mountain huckleberry, orange sherbet, toffee something, caramel crunch.
Nice. All right, try them. Now?
Is this one the one you wanted?
Oh, that one's nice.
I got it for all 3 of us. It's like 100. I have it. If I ask your wife, she have it. It's good. This is 7 out of 10. Give me a quarter pound of fries at work. Give it 100. 7 out of 10 again.
What's better though, the mac or the sandwich?
Sandwich.
I'm about to turn you black and blue, Chris Breezy. When I was picking you up, it wasn't easy. Why your eyes so big? Don't even look like you Asian. Big boots on the boy, need a vacation.
Yeah, dump us up a boy on the fucking phone. Re-rock, yeah, super hard, yeah, I get it gone. Nigga, what? I get you gone. Talking greasy on the internet, you niggas hard.
We are at Cape Kiwanda, about to go to the sand dunes. See how tiny those people are? It's gonna be such a huge walk.
I wanted to test my rock climbing skill.
Is that the highest one, the most intense one?
I don't know.
Oh. How tough is this? Oh, that's pretty concrete under this. I was gonna jump off from the top.
What?
It starts to get harder again. Look. On your right. Oh! Alright, we both got stuck in the same place.
Yeah, I didn't know where to go from there.
They survived spinning and they must be godly. Know a nigga pull up and serve you perks, hopping off a Harley. Got a hot foot, stepping on shit like cues. I ain't put no single lines, it's 3s and 2s. The niggas got fully suited to pull up and lose.
Mariano.
This bitch got fully booted and said fuck all her booze. Pull up on me now, I need sloppy toppy. I only speak on what I know, and baby, I'm not that cocky. Bet she fuckers all her bills up like she Chauncey. New coupe, the car stayed low like it wasn't Monty.
Ah! It didn't do anything. I just looked crazy. This was day 3 of my road trip from Oregon to Washington. We saw lots of great views. We finished up by heading back to Portland and eating some Vietnamese food. Next video, we're going to the anime store in Portland. So if you guys are interested, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. Thank you. Guess what, Cameron? You're done. Give me that. Your lineup. You see yourself?
He might reach out. He likes to get himself.
Nani?